Okay, so in this video, I want to cover one topic which I should have covered earlier. However, I just realized that I have not covered that regarding the creation of the list, right? So I have created list where using this numbers and all the elements. So I will be covering in this is creating list using variables. Okay, so it's not like that we need to create a list. Let's say I have um, okay, so creating a list from variables, how we can create. So let's say Matt John or let's say I have Tim, that's a Tom, Ron. Okay, so these are the people. So I want to creating a list of, let's say these are the employees of a company. Okay, so I'll create a employees equals to Matt, John, Tom, Ron. And when I see this employees, it will create a list. Okay, so these are the variables, right, which I am using. Rather than I'm explicitly mentioning, I can use some variables, and going forward when I'll talk about list of list, that time we will see I will be adding list inside the lists. Okay, so that's all in this video, very small topic which I want to cover, and yeah, that's all. See you in another video.